Okay, now look at your book. So here is the second part of our story. The name of the story is a road trip that we have started day before yesterday. And the story is about road trip. In our story, there are two children, Ruby and Sunny. And Ruby and Sunny are going to their grandma's house. The house is far away from their home. So they have started their journey through a road, but they are not at all enjoying their journey. That's why they are getting bored and they wish if someone shortened their journey, the distance of the road to their house, from their house to their grandma's house. So that is why their parent, mainly Papa, the Papa, father of Sunny, the father of Sunny and Ruby, the father of Sunny and Ruby plan to play a game, with them. Why? So that they can enjoy the scenario of the outside as well as they also don't get bored during their journey. So Papa asks to them to find a object, to find an item from the window, look out of the window and tell him what is white. So it was a game. Now we will continue from this page. Okay. There is a cow. Point Sunny. Sunny point. There is a cow. Good, Papa tells him. Now what is shiny and red? That car, Ruby says, pointing to a car next to them. That's correct. What is blue? Asks Papa again. The sky, says Sunny, pointing upward. Can you see something black? Papa asked next. The crow on the fence, point Ruby. Now tell what is fence? Let me tell you. This is fence. This is fence. This part. This part is called fence. It is written over here that fence means it is a wall between two area. It is a fence. Here is a, you can see, here is an area and it is also an area. So between two areas of land made of wood or wire, this is fence. This is fence. Fence, point Ruby. And green? Asked Papa. The tree is green. Sunny quickly replies. The game continues. The children enjoy it a lot. Suddenly the car stopped. They have reached the farm. Grandma is standing at the gate and she is smiling. We are here, Sunny says in surprise. Where did the time go? He is asking to his father that how we reached so fast. And then Papa says that time flies when you are having fun. The children climb out of the car. They run to grandma. She hugs them both. Welcome home, children, she says. So at the end of the story, we learned that whatever we are doing, if we enjoy that, we will never get bored. Okay, so when they started their journey, that time Ruby and Sunny didn't enjoy their traveling. Why? Because they were just focusing on that when they will reach their grandma's house. That's why. But after that, when they started playing a game, they don't know that how they reach their home, reach the house of their grandma. Okay, so this is our story, a very sweet story indeed. Okay, so let us do the exercise of this story. Okay, now open next page. Everyone open next page of the story. Acha, listen to me properly. No need to do exercise A and exercise B, first 4 questions, mean 1 to 4. Just do from exercise B5 and the vocabulary. Exercise B5 and the vocabulary. I'm showing you the completed pages so that you can easily write the answer also in your book. I'm showing you, I'm trying to show you few pages. Give me some time. Yes, Arohi, say.
Ma'am, I am reading completed.
I am reading now. I have completed my reading.
May I reading completed? Ma'am, I am read.
Do exercise, do the exercises, okay? Have you completed the exercises of this story? Exercises, have you completed or not? Have you completed?
Exercises? Yes, I am completed.
I am now. I have. Have you completed all exercises? How many times I said don't write anything in the book. It will be do only in the class. I said it before. Say now. Show me your book. Show me your book.
Ma'am, I am reading completed.
Okay, do exercise. Exercise B, question number 5. Write the answer of exercise B, question number 5. Exercise B, question number 5. Exercise B, question number 5. I'm showing you the answer because this is a very big exercise. We need to do it. Exercise B.
Look, দেখো না
কি দেখবে? Mute your device, Arohi. Mute your device. Student, kindly wait. Wait, let me show you. Yes, I'm talking about this page. Exercise A, I will send all the answer. Exercise B, up to question number 4, you will get. And I said to do only exercise 5. What is the question? The question is, what did the children see on the road? Complete the list given below. A white cow, a blue sky, a green tree, a red car, and a black crow. And in the vocabulary part, you have noticed that there are few pictures in your book. They all are transport, but different means of transport. You have to label it. First, you have to identify the picture, and then within bracket, you have to write, is it water transport, is it land transport, or is it air transport? Acha, Mehrab, I have noticed you don't want to do anything. Your mother writes every time. Why, Mehrab? Take your book, open page 72 from English literature. Everyone is doing. Do solve all exercise in your book. Very easy exercise. Yes, Bonabo.
I have completed.
All or this one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, এটাও দেখুন.
You have written it right now.
No, ma'am.
When you have written?
বাড়িতে, ma'am.
কেন বন্যাব্য কতবার বারণ করা হয়েছে যে বাড়িতে বইতে কিছু করবে না? How many times it said to you? I can remember that in each and every class I said that don't write anything in the book. এই বইতে এক্সারসাইজ গুলো ক্লাসে করানো হবে। ইচ্ছে হলে কপিতে লেখো, বইতে কেন লিখেছো? কতবার বলা হয়েছে বলো এটা? If it is previously written at your home to your private teacher, I will not check it. Listen to me carefully. You are having lots of copy. If you want to do it, write answer in the copy. But বইতে করাটা কিন্তু অ্যালাউ নয়। স্কুল খুললেও কিন্তু স্কুলে ক্লাসেই করতে হবে ক্লাস ওয়ার্ক। আচ্ছা, নাও রাজদি আরভিকা যারা যারাই বাড়িতে করে আমাকে দেখাচ্ছ আমি তাদেরটা দেখবো না। ক্লাস ওয়ার্ক ইউ হ্যাভ টু ডু ইন দ্য ক্লাস। ইয়েস রাজদি।
Ma'am, vocabulary portions.
Yes. Hmm? Hmm? In
vocabulary portion, we will also do the
copy in the book. Do. Lots of time we are having. Okay. Identify the picture. Picture number 2 is a boat. Picture number 3 bus. 4 bicycle. 5 jeep. 5 is a jeep. 6 is a scooter. 7 is a sheep. 8 is a train. 9 is a helicopter.
I write the jeep mistakenly car.
Okay, no issue. Car or jeep. As the picture is jeep, I have written jeep. You can also write car. And after the all word, I also have written W. W means boat is a water transport. Bus is a land transport. Bicycle is also a land transport. Jeep is a land transport. Don't show me your book right now. I will ask for it. Don't show me. If you have completed this page, go to page 73. Go page 73 and do next exercises. এটা হয়ে গেলে পরেরটা করো, but don't sit quietly. Nishan, Orgo, are you doing? Do. How many of you have completed this page? How many of you have completed this page? Can I change? Can I change? Can I go to the next page?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Very good.
Ma'am.
Can you see my screen?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, wait.
No, ma'am.
Acha, wait. Let me share. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, Baba, wait. Now?
Yes,
Okay. Okay, now now don't talk. Don't talk. You all are good student now. Good student never talk in the class. Good student never talk in the class. Do. Exercise B. Ball round. What is exercise B? It is written that write down a word that relate to each of these words. Relate me like ball is round. Car. We know that a car has horn. Cherries are red. Dog. Dog likes bone. Sandwich is a snack. Sun. Sunday. And exercise C is label each group in the table with the correct name given in the box. Acha. Question number 1, it is written that pink, green, orange. So we know that pink, green, orange, these are the name of colors. That's why I have written here color. So here we have to label the group. Circle, square, triangle. These are the name of shapes. Hen, duck, crane. These are birds. Dog, cow, horse. These are animals. Uncle, cousin, grandfather, family. Cap, shorts, t-shirt. These are clothes. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. These are days of the week. January, February, March. These are the name of months. Ashna Naz, where are you, Ashna? Where are you? Don't move from the class. Don't move. You have completed this page also. This page also. Do complete all page. Don't move from the class. Bornabo, if you not yet completed this page, you can do. Otherwise, have you completed this page also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but from the next time, if you want to do, you can solve all the exercise in your any of your homework copy. Okay, don't write the answer except in the class in the book. Okay.
Right.
Completed this page, Irene. Okay, good. Acha, let me tell you, no need to do that page, listening and speaking. You can skip the page, listening and speaking. Listening and speaking, that one you can skip, no need to do that one. Student, have you completed this page? Very good, Ifra.
Yes,
Very good.
ma'am.
Have you completed this page? Can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I show you the next page? Oh,
Ma'am, I have completed. Ma'am, I
okay.
have completed. I have completed. Ma'am, I have completed.
Very good. Okay, okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. Give me. Acha, second page. Second page. Means page number 74. Page number 74. Page 74. Sure that all page should completed. Page 74. Okay, check your answer. If you have completed, check your answer. Page 24. You know na? These are doing words. These are doing words. You know it? I am going. I am going. These all are doing words. I am going to school. We are riding bicycle. How are you doing today? Someone is singing, ringing the bell. Minnie and Rini cannot play. They are studying. I am going to school. We are riding bicycle. How are you doing today? Someone is ringing the bell. Minnie and Rini cannot play. They are studying. No need to do page number 75. This page, is it completed? This page? Can I show you the next page? Or may I stop?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Ma'am, stop.
Yes,
ma'am.
okay, do. Very good, Ashna. Do, take your time.
Dika, can I go to washroom?
Better to go after 5 minutes, okay? Just after 5 minutes, Baba. Let the class complete. 5 minutes left. Okay, thank you. Very good, Arhan. Student, tell me when I can change. Just tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can I change? Can I change? Okay, don't do page 75, okay? Don't do page 75. Page 75 is not required to do because that is listening and speaking portion. Directly we will do the last page 76. Page number 76. Page number 76 is the last page and the question answer of this chapter you will get. Everything you will get. This is the last page. See, look at the picture. A balloon seller is selling colorful balloons. A vendor is selling fruits and vegetables. Children are standing on the footpath and eating ice cream. I see a red bus going down the street. There is a traffic policeman standing in the middle of the road. See, I just zoom the screen so that you can see it properly. Yes, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Just check your diary. Check your diary handbook and I think you will get notice. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, these are holidays. Kindly check. No, tomorrow is Kali Puja. Day after tomorrow is Diwali. You will get notice. Kindly check. Kindly wait for the notice. You will notify from the school. Also, will get notice. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
And advance happy Diwali to all of you. Happy and safe Diwali.
Happy Diwali, ma'am. Happy Diwali, ma'am.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, ma'am. Happy Diwali, ma'am. Happy Kali Puja.
Okay.
Happy Diwali, all of friends.
Yes, thank everyone. Yes. Happy Diwali to you.
Happy Diwali, ma'am, and all my friends.
Yes, thank you so much. Same to you.
Happy Diwali, ma'am. Happy Diwali.
Not only happy and safe Diwali. Happy and safe Diwali.
Diwali, ma'am. Happy Diwali, friends.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali, friends.
Acha, okay. Now tell me. Okay, everyone, have you completed? Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am. I have completed.
Okay, show me your book. Show me your book.
Ma'am, I have completed. I'm on the book.
No, I have completed. I have.
Ma'am, I have completed. Ma'am.
I am completed মানে জানো? I am মানে তোমার নাম completed. Don't say I am. Say I have completed. Very good, Arhan. Acha.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Very good.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay. Show me your book. Those who have completed. Arhan, Barnabo, Ashna, fast, Nishan, Orgho, Irene, Sanjoyon, Choynika, Pratyusha is writing. Okay, very good, all of you. Srishti, Shampriti is writing. Arohi, Zubaidul, show me your book. Rashi, Ronak, Ayush, Shagnik, show me your book. Very good, Zubaidul. Very good, Shagnik. Okay, Zubaidul, Rashi, Rana, Shagnik, time over. Okay.